Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Listen, dolls, I just wanted to share a few tidbits with y'all. You may be getting ready to step out on the town tonight, but I just want to help you with a few beauty tips to instantly glow up. I mean, you may have been at work all day and you just want to go out for drinks, but you want to up your game just a little bit. Don't take a whole lot. It don't take a whole lot because you're already cute, right? So try these beauty hacks right now. First, let me tell you about this. The skin. Just a little bit of ice or an ice roller on your face. Let me tell you, this works wonders for reducing puffiness and tightening your skin. It's like a mini facelift. Next, grab your favorite illuminating primer for that radiant from within look. Trust me, it makes all the difference in the world. And for an extra glow, have you ever tried mixing some liquid highlighter with your favorite foundation? Baby, flawless complexion. Oh yeah. Let's move now to the eyes. You want to brighten up your look? You can brighten up your look with a nude or white eyeliner on your waterline. It instantly makes your eyes pop and look more awake. And don't forget those brows. A good brow gel or brow pencil can lift and define your face in seconds. Moving to the lips. I told you this would be fast. And for your lips, a plumping gloss gives you that juicy, full lip effect with zero effort. Oh, and my absolute go-to, a spritz of facial mist to lock in hydration and keep your skin dewy all day or all night. All right, now these are my quick and easy beauty hacks that will give you that instant glow up. Yes, indeed, I love them. Hey, comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. And if you love these tips, any or all of them, please make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And the reason for that, because I got many more beauty secrets that I would love to share with all of my babes out there. So please be here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay gorgeous and glowing. Bye now.